Imagine a world painted in every shade of green, where sunlight dances through a living cathedral of leaves. The rainforest is alive. A symphony of birds, monkeys, and insects fills the air. Today we embark on a journey into the heart of these magnificent forests. We'll explore the vast Amazon, the vibrant rainforests of Costa Rica, and the ancient, misty woods of Tasmania. Each forest is a world of its own, bursting with unique plants and animals. Feel the warmth, the humidity, and the constant gift of rain that lets these forests thrive. Marvel at trees that touch the sky and flowers blooming in unexpected places. Listen to the forest's pulse, from dawn's chorus to night's hush. Here, every creature, from ant to jaguar, plays a vital role in a delicate web of life. These forests give us clean air, fresh water, and countless resources. Let's begin our adventure and discover why these treasures must be protected. Our first stop is the Amazon, the world's largest rainforest, stretching across 9 countries. The mighty Amazon River winds through a sea of green, home to millions of species, many still undiscovered. Life here is layered: the emergent giants, the bustling canopy, the shadowy understory, and the quiet forest floor. Monkeys leap, macaws and toucans flash by, and capybaras rest at the river's edge. Pink river dolphins glide through flooded forests, while jaguars prowl in the shadows. The Amazon's climate is shaped by water. Seasonal floods transform the forest into a watery world. Fish swim among submerged trees, and animals retreat to higher ground. This cycle spreads nutrients and seeds, sustaining the entire ecosystem. The Amazon is a breathtaking display of nature's creativity and power. Here, the force of nature is both dramatic and essential. Next, we journey to Costa Rica, a tiny country with nearly 5% of the world's species. Its lush rainforests and misty cloud forests are alive with color and sound. Emerald quetzals, jewel-like hummingbirds, and red-eyed tree frogs thrive here. Sloths move slowly through the trees, blending in with the green, embodying Costa Rica's pura vida, pure life. Much of the land is protected, making these forests sanctuaries for wildlife. Costa Rica proves that humans and nature can coexist in harmony. Its commitment to conservation preserves biodiversity and inspires hope. Here, every walk is a lesson in the beauty and importance of wild places. This is a living rainbow, a beacon for the planet's future. Our final stop is Tasmania, home to ancient temperate rainforests. Cool, misty air, and towering trees like the mountain ash create a mystical landscape. Moss, fungi, and giant ferns blanket the ground, echoing a time when Gondwana ruled the earth. Unique creatures roam here: the fierce Tasmanian devil, quiet wallabies, and the elusive platypus. Some Huon pines are over 2,000 years old, living witnesses to history. These forests are shaped by constant rain and cool temperatures, allowing lush mosses and lichens to thrive. Rivers run clear over ancient stones, and the forest's stillness invites reflection. Tasmania's rainforests are peaceful, ancient worlds, connecting us to a distant past. Here, resilience and survival are written in every tree ring. Walking these woods is a humbling, magical experience. Rainforests are the lungs of our planet, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. They regulate the Earth's climate and water cycle, drawing up water and releasing it as rain. Their canopies slow rainfall, prevent erosion, and keep rivers clean. Rainforests are treasure troves of food: bananas, chocolate, coffee, and medicine, with countless cures yet to be discovered. For millions of indigenous people, these forests are home, culture, and life itself. Their deep knowledge of the land is invaluable. Protecting rainforests means safeguarding future cures, clean water, and ancient wisdom. Every breath we take is connected to their health. These forests are vital for all life on Earth. Their survival is our survival. Despite their value, rainforests are vanishing at an alarming rate. Deforestation for cattle, crops, and timber is pushing these ecosystems to the brink. Wildlife loses homes and food, with many species now critically endangered. Cutting forests releases stored carbon, fueling climate change and extreme weather. Pollution and new roads bring further destruction, fragmenting habitats. The rainforest's symphony is being drowned out by chainsaws. We stand at a crossroads. The future of these worlds hangs in the balance. There is hope. People everywhere are fighting to save rainforests. Planting trees, creating parks, and supporting local communities are making a difference. We can help by choosing sustainable products and supporting conservation groups. Every purchase and every conversation can protect these green heartlands. Our journey has shown the beauty and fragility of these forests. They give us air, water, and wonder. Now, it's our turn to give back. Let's promise to be their guardians. Together, we can ensure the rainforest symphony continues for generations to come.